Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong 7 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the sound section. Now let's scroll down and tap on advanced. Thanks to this, we can unroll this section with the ringtones with the sounds. Those options are connected with the ringtone for incoming calls. They are divided between two different SIM cards, which is quite cool because you can set totally different ringtone for the first SIM card and totally different for the second one, so you can recognize the specific colors, kind of. Let me show you how to do it using the first ringtone. It does not really matter because it works the same. After tapping on it, we will have this pop-out window with the pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose, so we've got plenty of options to choose from. At the top of this list, we've got the option None, which means that after picking it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the very bottom of this list, we've got this Add Ringtone option, which simply means that you can enter your internal storage, and if you've got anything, for example, downloaded, then you will be able to find it just like this sound file, and you will be able to set it as a ringtone. But let me pick something from those options, and basically if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. So let me pick this one, for example, and of course I've got my device muted, so let me first of all turn on the sound. Is it okay right now? Yes, it is definitely turned on. Sorry for that. So basically this is how it works. All you have to do is to tap on the particular ringtone and you will be able to check how it sounds. Let me simply turn off the volume completely because, as you can hear, it is quite loud. If you decide that you want to set particular ringtones, so for example this one, make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.